Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi 13 and let me share with you how to turn off running apps of this device. So basically all we have to do is to open the recents, and depending on what kind of navigation type you've got set, you can do it differently. So if you've got the 3 buttons navigation, you will have to tap on the button with a square icon, I believe, or the 3 bars icon. And if you've got the gestures, then all you have to do is to simply swipe your finger from the bottom to the center of your device and hold your finger somewhere here, just like that. And as you can see here, we've got the recents, and basically if you want, you can close only 1 or 2 of those apps. Just find them and swipe them to the right or to the left. But if in your case you've got a lot of apps opened, then I highly recommend to tap on this X button here. As you can see, there's nothing to clear in cache. We can of course enter the recents to check or maybe not. All right, we've got the recents, and here we've got no recent items, which simply means that we just successfully closed all background apps. So basically that's all. This is how to turn off running apps in your Xiaomi 13. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.